Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing of a Scentia cordless scent diffuser. And this comes in gold, silver, and black, but this is the gold one. It says that it is aerospace grade material, ambient light for cozy vibe, touchscreen, a smart app, and 220,000 megahertz lithium battery. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. We're gonna elevate our lifestyle. That's what it says. When you open it, it has a caution. Please keep the machine vertical after installation. Tilting or lying flat can cause oil to overflow and the circuit board may be contaminated, which could affect its efficiency. You should not modify, dismantle, or repair the machine arbitrarily. Any malfunctions occur, please contact the relevant technician immediately. So in our little box, we have a little product manual, a little tube, and a little cap. Oh, it's stuck in here. The Scentia thing. Nosy cat. So this is a little heavy. It has some rubber foam at the bottom that you can see so it doesn't slide. And here's the top. You've got your plug-in here and all your little, how strong you want it, power, the light, and the timer, which looks to be 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. In this little package, we have a sample W Magic luxury scent, My Way, and Cabana. Let's see what else is in this box. Got a little bottle. And the power adapter. So let's see what we have here. I want to smell these first. This Cabana. Oh, you can't smell it. It has a thing over it. So let's see what we have to do. Take out the diffuser head. By doing that, you unscrew this. Nope, you just pull it up. So it just pulls up. Twist off the bottle, which there isn't one, but I'm assuming this is what we're going to use to put in there. Fill the bottle with essential oil. So I kind of wanted to know what smelled like what, so I knew which smell I wanted to use. Cabana. I don't know what that smells like. Perfume, I guess. There's My Way. That's more of a powdery scent. And then there's Magic. Since it's Halloween time, I think we should probably use Magic. And that's not very strong, so we're gonna go with Magic. And I could tell you down below, or I'll put it in the description here, what they actually are supposed to smell like, since it doesn't tell you. But we're gonna take this bottle that they gave you, and we're gonna fill the bottle with the oil. So we're just gonna dump this Magic right in here. Need to make this hole bigger. So these are just sample bottles, but I guess you can buy the big bottles. It has a max of 120 milliliters, but it just came with these samples. So we're just gonna try this out. And like I said, we're going with Magic. So we put the diffuser head back in the machine. I'm gonna screw this right on here. Put that back in there. There's a little hole there. It doesn't show that it needs to go any specific place because there's no hole in this. So, oh, that fits only that way because it's round here and flat there, and it's flat right there. So you just push it right back down in. Grade button. So this is your grade button, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or custom. And then you have your power on and off. Power on, short press to turn the machine on. Power off, short press to turn it off. Long press, 5 seconds to restore to the factory settings. That includes your levels, programming, and password. If the app's not connected to the smart light will flash. And then you have your ambient lighting here. So you turn it on. It can be turned off both on-off states. So you can have the light on whether the machine is doing the diffuser or not. And it can be used as a night light. And then you have your smart app. You've got your timer and your power description. So the next thing we want to do is we want to download our smart app instructions. And it gives you all that information right here. I'm going to save this cap in case you get another bigger bottle. And I'm going to put these other ones in here so they don't leak everywhere with the extra little diffuser. So let's download the app.
You want to go to your app store and you want to look for the Scentia app to download. After the app is downloaded, now you're going to open that up. Make sure your Bluetooth is on and it is going to search for any devices with the Scentia app. It has located our device. Now we can just click on it and we can change the name. We can add a label like what room it's in or something if you have more than one. This is like where you can customize everything. Shows that it's 100% of the oil. You can change your intervals of setting a schedule of every day and the hours that you want it to run. You can also change the name so that it comes up with what fragrance that you have in it. It allows you to set the strength of how much fragrance you want dispersed at a time. The only thing I don't care for is it's in 24-hour increments instead of like the 12-hour time frames. I get confused with the military time. And then you're just going to want to go back and you definitely want to make sure that you save this so that it sets your schedule and saves everything. And I'm going to go ahead and change the name of the oil in there so I know what it is. So if I like it, I can do it again. If I don't, I will not buy that flavor again. You have the option to have the nightlight on or off through the app or right on the device, either or. The nightlight part can remain on even if it's not diffusing oil.
All right, so there it is all set up. You can see the light is on, the power button is on. You got your little scent coming out of the top. It smells like really bad cologne. I don't really care for that W Magic. That's the one we put in it. but I'm sure there's some scents that do smell nice. If you like Hollister and places like that, you like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.
I just wanted to throw in some of the scent flavors here and the features at a bigger size so that you could see it, how you can unlock the journey, how it works up to 1,500 square feet, what it meets, how to use it, all of the information that I provided earlier, the mint intensity, the device, everything, just in a bigger portion so you can see it. This is the My Way, the White Magic, which I didn't care for, and the Cabana.